barn owls. Their screeching sounds, heart-shaped faces and snowy white underparts are unmistakable. They were recently voted Britain's favourite farmland bird. But they haven't always been top of the pops. Since Roman times, barn owls were surrounded by superstition. Their old names include demon owl, death owl and hobgoblin. They were often nailed to barn doors to ward off other owls and even to protect against thunder and lightning. During the Middle Ages, barn owls thrived, partly due to poor sanitation and a high rat population. This taste for rodents transformed barn owls into a farmer's friend. And in the 20th century, owl windows were built into some stone barns to encourage the birds to nest. It paid off because barn owls eat lots of small mammals, their favourites being field voles.